Don't cough on me. Are you eating gum?
Mm-hmm.
It kind of matches my shirt, and then your Ripken shirt. No! Please throw it out over there. Thank you.
Oh, you farted?
Believe me, you would know if I farted. Who are you?
Milo Roselle.
And how do I know you?
I am your son.
Do we look alike?
I don't see it, but some people say it.
Color, right? There's color, and then color. And it's coincidence that we're both wearing matching color.
Mm-hmm.
But I want to talk to you about how else to use color in photography by not using color.
By not using color?
Yeah. You're thinking about this, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
I want to show you something, okay?
Okay.
This is actually a couple of pictures, from, I think, 8 years ago.
Okay.
All right. Do you know who these guys are?
That's Eli Manning on the left. Mark Sanchez on the right.
Oh, you knew who Mark Sanchez was. That's good.
No, it's only because of that football that he signed.
Because I was the photographer on this.
Oh, you were?
Yeah. Here, let's actually go out to the desktop here for a moment. So here's Eli's pictures. Look at all these pictures I took. We started at 12:04 p.m. was the first picture. That was a lighting test, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
See, that's not even Eli. It's one of the guys on the crew. And we ended at 4:39 p.m.
So 4 hours?
Shooting him. Yeah, this was for a Toyota ad campaign. And the whole idea was we were going to take all these pictures and we were really only going to use, I think, like maybe 30 each out of those thousands. Yeah. So what is different, do you think, about these kind of pictures versus what I normally do for sports photography?
They're in front of a green screen and a blue screen.
Right. And we did that on purpose. Do you know why?
To add a background.
Right. We're doing a chroma key. So the word chroma key, the first part of that word, chroma, has to do with color. And the second word is key. So
color key.
Right. So if there happens to be a color in this picture that, we can just hit a magic wand and select all that color at once, and we can remove it and then insert something else instead. But here's the other thing. Do you see that one is what color?
Green.
And then the other one is?
Blue.
Why do you suppose we used green for Eli and blue for Mark?
Oh wait, so he's wearing a green jersey, so it would match in with the green screen, and then Eli's using a blue jersey, so it would match in with the blue screen.
That is exactly why. Like you said, if we put Eli on that blue background,
it'd be floating head.
Right. So that's why we generally select colors that are going to provide a contrast. Do you think the Giants are going to win this weekend?
Who are they against?
They're going up against the Washington Redskins.
They should win. They should win. Saquon, 300 yards.
Okay, if Saquon doesn't get 300 yards, you have to do the next episode without your shirt on.
No!
You know why?
Why?
Saquon's
He's injured. Oh, no!
Shirtless! 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 Shirtless!
No!
Okay, no.